Hello and welcome to this lecture on existing home sales. In this lecture, we'll explore the concept of existing home sales, its significance, and how it affects the real estate market. Let's define what existing home sales are. Existing home sales refer to the sales of previously owned homes as opposed to new construction homes. This statistic is an important indicator of the health of the real estate market. Existing home sales are tracked and reported by the National Association of Realtors on a monthly basis. This data is collected through surveys of real estate agents across the country, US. It's then used to create reports that provide insight into the state of the housing market. The significance of existing home sales data is that it provides a gauge of the overall health of the real estate market. If sales are increasing, it indicates that the market is growing. If sales are decreasing, it could indicate a potential slowdown or downturn. The data can also help predict future trends in the real estate market, such as rising or falling price and supply of demand and supplies of homes. There are few key factors that can impact existing home sales data. First, economic condition, such as interest rate and employment level. This can influence the number of home buyers in the market. Additionally, demographic changes, such as an aging population or an influx of new residents. This can also impact the demand for homes. It is important to note that existing home sales data is just one of many factors to consider when evaluating the health of the real estate market. Other factors such as new home construction, inventory level, and home prices should also be considered when evaluating the state of the market. Existing home sales data is a valuable indicator of the overall health of the real estate market. It is an important statistics that provide insight into trends in the industry and help predict the future market condition. While it is just one of many factors to consider, it is an essential data point for anyone looking to buy or sell a home, as well as investors looking to gauge the health of the real estate market. Thank you for listening to this lecture on existing home sales.